Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we have something special for all the parents out there: the Bare 2023 Baby Food Maker. It's not just any baby food maker, it's the best one you can find in the market. The Bare 2023 Baby Food Maker is an all-in-one solution for busy parents who want to provide healthy and nutritious homemade baby food for their little ones. Let's dive into why this product stands out. First and foremost, the Bare 2023 Baby Food Maker offers an unparalleled level of convenience. It's a one-step baby food processor that simplifies the entire process of making baby food. No need for separate steps or equipment. This device does it all for you. With its intuitive touchscreen control panel, you can easily select from a built-in menu for vegetables, fruits, fish, or meat. Just choose your function, and the Baby Food Maker takes care of the rest, eliminating tedious and redundant steps. One of the key features is its blending power. Equipped with 4 high-quality precision blades running at 2,875 rotations per minute, this baby food maker can cook baby food in minutes. Plus, it's self-cleaning, making it a time saver for busy moms and dads. Safety is a top priority with the Bare 2023 Baby Food Maker. It has a safety lock design, ensuring it can only be powered on when the blender cup lid and base are properly installed. It's also FDA and all certified, and the blender cup is made from Triton material, ensuring your baby's food is safe from harmful substances. Despite its powerful capabilities, this baby food maker has a compact design that won't take up much space on your kitchen counter. It's also easy to use, even for those with a busy schedule. In summary, the Bare 2023 Baby Food Maker is a game-changer for parents who want to provide their little ones with healthy and nutritious meals. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and it simplifies the entire baby food making process. No wonder it's the best baby food maker on the market. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in the Bare 2023 Baby Food Maker, you can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of innovative products like this one. Thanks for watching.